Hey everyone! In this guide, you'll learn how to play any game using a controller on your PC.
Before we start, quick tip, the easiest way to skip all the steps in this video and avoid future bugs or errors is to just use ExitLag. If you get it through my link in the description, you'll get an extra discount, and since it's Black Friday week right now, it even stacks for a bigger deal. Alright, let's jump in.
Follow the steps carefully. First, launch Steam. Click on the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Controller, then click on General Controller Settings. Here, enable all controller types that apply to your device, like PlayStation, Xbox, or generic controllers. Once you're done, close the settings. If your game isn't on Steam, click on Add a Game in the bottom left of Steam and select Add a non-Steam game. Now choose the game you want to play with a controller and click Add Selected Programs. After that, go to your Steam library and select the game you added. You should see a small controller icon next to the play button. If the icon is missing, your controller isn't being detected properly. Try unplugging and plugging it back in. Click on the controller icon. Make sure Steam input is enabled. Then, click on the gamepad layout to configure your controls. After customizing your layout, click Apply Layout. Go back and you're ready to start playing with your controller. If it still doesn't work, consider using external tools like DS for Windows or X360 CE, depending on your controller type. They're easy to install and often fix compatibility issues. That's it. Enjoy your game.